Hello reptile enthusiasts, today we're diving into the captivating world of the bearded dragon, high red silky, a stunning variation of the popular bearded dragon species. These dragons are celebrated for their vibrant high red coloration and unique silky appearance. The high red silky mutation intensifies the red pigmentation, making these dragons a sought after choice among reptile enthusiasts. The high red silky variation showcases a brilliant high red coloration, enhancing the typical bearded dragon appearance. With a silky sheen to their scales, these dragons have a unique texture that adds to their allure. Their characteristic beard, used for communication and thermal regulation, becomes even more pronounced with a vibrant red background. To thrive, the bearded dragon high red silkies require well-designed enclosures with proper heating, lighting, and a variety of substrates for basking and hiding. Maintaining suitable temperatures is crucial for their health and well-being. As with all bearded dragons, a balanced diet of insects, vegetables, and fruits is essential for their nutritional needs. While bearded dragons don't interact with plants in the same way as some animals, providing a dynamic enclosure with various structures, hides, and basking spots contributes to their well-being. Incorporating safe and non-toxic plants can enhance the aesthetics of their habitat. Bearded dragon high red silkies are primarily kept for their stunning appearance and friendly demeanor. These dragons are valued companions that bring joy to reptile enthusiasts through their vibrant colors and engaging behavior. Their intensified red pigmentation, silky appearance, and friendly nature make them a cherished choice among reptile enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of animals. Until next time, may your reptile adventures be filled with wonder, and may the bearded dragon, high red silky, bring a touch of vibrant beauty to your collection. Farewell.